Where are we going, Annie? We going fishing? Huh? We going fishing and hiking? Hi, Daxton. Here comes Daddy. We gotta get some gas. You ready, Annie? What are you doing? Don't you fall. We are walking on Clear Bay Trail at Lake Thunderbird.
And we are here.
Oh, are we gonna do this whole thing?
That's a big lake.
Probably not. Usually this trail is full of ticks and you can't come out here in the summer. So we're hoping, since it's wintertime, that they're not out. But it is a very pretty day. It's about 70 degrees today here in Oklahoma. That's a Fortnite emote?
Dad, look at this Fortnite emote. Dad, look.
Oh yeah, that's what they do.
What? Don't hurt your knee, your shin. That stick is soft or you are very strong. Daddy's over here climbing this tree. Okay, found a mile marker. Now, are these mushrooms right here?
Yeah, I touched it. I didn't want to touch it, but it's the name of science.
Could touch it in the name of science. All right, let's keep going. And look, I see water over there, Lake Thunderbird.
This one?
Uh-huh. This gold loop trail here that's where it's taking us. It's gonna go all the way around and it's taking us to the water. Okay,
Oh, I'm definitely
this is gonna be fun for me. Look, Daddy, he's moving these leaves because he knows I'll be slipping all the way down.
You ready, Dad?
Just let me go down it like a slide. Yeah. There you go. Aye, aye, aye. Okay, Could probably let Annie go, you think? See what she does? Oh, there's people up ahead. Never mind.
Remember on Lost when they met the others?
So squishy. I'm sinking. There's sailboats way out here. Oh, that's so pretty. We have an issue here, and you gotta walk back now. Let me see your foot. Oh, you're gonna be squishing all the way to the car. Take the leash off since no one else is around and see what she does. Ready? Here we go. Okay. Get out of the water, Daxton. Look at her.
Look at it, Doug.
Babe, are you okay?
Oh yeah.
Oh my God.
I was showing you what not to do when you're climbing on hills.
Oh.
With leaps.
Pull. Okay. You got sand or dirt in your eye?
I don't know.
Let me see.
Possibly so.
Open up.
No, a plant hit me in the
A
face.
plant.
Yeah.
Oh, because you was slinging it all around. Okay, look, we're getting closer. There's the little bridge. Back to the car we go. Babies? Any little babies in here? Of any sort? Squirrels? No. Don't dig in it. There could be baby snakes. You never know. Oh! You all right? I do believe we are tired. Well, we made it, folks. I guess it was 3 miles. I'm not sure, but it doesn't sound like much, but when you're going up and down hills and wading through mud and dirt, guess it can wear you out, right? But we gotta keep doing it.
Yeah, I'm gonna go
2023!